A 5-minute tune-up can save you from a Christmas catastrophe. Number 1. Slow down before you click. Hackers count on your holiday rush. Scam emails and texts explode this time of year. Your package is delayed. Your order couldn't be delivered. Win a free holiday gift card. Urgent, your account is frozen. Tap the brakes. Rule of thumb, if it looks urgent, emotional, or too good to be true, it's probably a hacker throwing digital tinsel in your eyes. Instead of clicking, go directly to the company's real website or app and check your account. Number 2, don't trust those delivery alerts, at least not immediately. Scammers love pretending to be UPS, FedEx, USPS, Amazon. They know everyone is waiting for packages. Do not click links in delivery texts or emails. If there's a tracking number, copy it and paste it into the official site. If it asks for money to redeliver a package, instant scam. Number 3. Beware of fake online store wonderland. Hackers set up whole fake websites in November or December. Great deals, professional photos, real-looking logos, and zero intention of sending anything. Before you buy from a new site, Google, is this website really legit? Look for a phone number, a real address, and honest reviews. Check for HTTPS and the padlock. Not perfect security, but better than nothing. Super deal that feels too good. Treat it like year-old fruitcake. Walk away. Use a credit card, not a debit card. This is the easiest protection upgrade of all. Credit cards give you fraud protection. Debit cards give hackers access to your cash instantly, and refunds can take weeks, if ever. If you shop online, credit cards or virtual cards are the safest holiday helpers. Number 5. Public Wi-Fi plus online shopping equals a gift to hackers. Coffee shops, airports, hotels. These all make your traffic easier for hackers to snoop on. If you must use public Wi-Fi, don't shop. Don't log in to banking sites. Don't enter card numbers. Don't check email that controls your accounts. Instead, use your phone's hotspot or wait until you're home. Watch out for charity scams. Sadly, hackers have no shame. The holiday brings out kindness in people and exploitation in scammers. Only donate to charities you already know, or confirm them on a trusted charity site, Charity Navigator, Better Business Bureau standards for charity accountability. If someone cold calls you or messages you asking for donations, nope, hard pass. Number 7, secure your accounts before the holiday madness begins. Turn on two-factor authentication. Use strong passwords or a password manager. Update your apps and devices. Back up important files. Hackers love holiday ransomware. These tiny steps shut the door on most attacks. Number 8, teach the family quickly, especially the kids and the skeptical uncle. Hackers don't just target you, they target the entire household. Remind kids not to click random game links. Explain to older relatives that banks don't text asking for your password. Microsoft doesn't call to fix your computer. If they get a strange message, Tell them to show you before clicking. You'll be the holiday hero. Number 9. When in doubt, verify before trust. My golden rule works perfectly here. If something feels off, even a little, double check it. Hackers rely on people ignoring that gut feeling. Final thoughts. Keep your holidays merry, not mal-weary. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Just slow down, think twice, and follow these simple habits. Hackers thrive on chaos, and the holidays give them plenty. Stay safe, stay secure, and with these steps, you can shut them down and enjoy a peaceful, scam-free season. Thanks for tuning in. Now go hit that subscribe button and stay curious, my friends.